Okay, everyone, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel, and this is another episode of Stock Lock Sunday. That is right. And this time around, we've got it's another Ace padlock I just picked up yesterday, actually, on my way home from work. It is 64 millimeters, which I think is 2.5 inches. And it is, there's the part number right there, 52022825. Which I guess if you looked it up on their website, you could probably find it. Because it worked on the one I did, I think this is the one I did last week, and that was the part number for it. Nice padlock that I did last week here, but this one right here, although it's a beautiful practice lock, 6-pin. It does have security pins in it, but the core is not removable on this one. This one that I have for today, it is a 5-pin, but the core is removable on this one. So hopefully if we can get it picked, we can get it gutted. And I'm hoping there's some security pins in this one also. Like I said, it did say 64 millimeter, 2.5 inch. I'm guessing that's the body size across. It is really freaking nice and heavy duty. Beautiful lock. Nice thick hardened shackle. 5-pin maximum pick resistance. Rekeyable and removable brass cylinder. 6-pin capability. That's another reason I picked it up. Although it's a 5-pin, I can slap another stack in there and make it a 6-pin lock. So, let's go ahead and get into this bad boy here. Got my little cutting tools handy for this one this time. Let's see if we can get this sucker out of here. There we go. I figure I will try, let's see, get one of these keys off of here. There's the bitting on the key. Pretty decent. I think I need a little more light down here, huh? What do you say? Is that better? Bitting on the key. Looks like American style. Oh yeah, that works nice. Oh yeah. Double ball locking, so not shimmable, I'm guessing. And I think it is American style keyway. Yeah, because I mean even the key looks like it. So, badass. Still got a little bit of grease up in there. Alright, so let's get these keys aside here. Make sure we're good on the camera. Let's go maybe back a little bit like this ish. I don't know what I'm doing here. There we go. Is that gooder? That's gooder. Okay, now, I was not ready, so I never am. Let's get some tension wrenches over here. The thickest one doesn't seem to want to fit. The 50, I think it's a 50 thousandths. So let's try, I think this one might be 30-ish. It seems to fit. Okay, so let's try, there's not a whole lot of room in there, honestly. Snap, crackle, pop. Let's see. Let's try this Praxis pick. It's in 15 thousandths. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I can feel the pins. Okay, let's give it a shot. Still in frame? We're in frame. Okay. Going to the back. 5. Got a little click. 4. I think that was a click. 4. Coming back out, maybe 3-ish. I don't know. Not feeling them pins too well here. Maybe I didn't set something. 4, 3, 1. Huh. Alrighty. I can feel them, but they all seem bouncy. I must have overset something. Let's reload, recock, and do this again. Okay, maybe I should have started out front, because one's binding. Okay, got a couple clicks on 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to the back. Got a little click on 5. Couple more. 4. I think I'm oversetting something. Oof. Five, 4. Felt like I said it. There we go. Dropped into a false set, I think. Felt like I did. Yep, a little bit more. Counter rotation. If I can stay on the pin. Nope. Damn it. I'll tell you what, this thing's getting heavy in my hand. Not gonna lie. Okay, we got counter. 2. I think it's 3. There it is. Counter rotation, but I can't stay under the dang pin. It's right here. Well, I thought it was. Okay. Tricky little snicker, huh? Damn, it's getting heavy. Got that false setback. Golly, I even got it sitting on the table. It's still heavy. Jesus Christmas, man. Yep, I'm missing the mark somewhere. Where you at, booger? There it is. Golly, I'll tell you what, man, that thing wore out my hand. I ain't even kidding. We got her. Alright, son of the gun. Alright, let me get backed out here. So I did not set a timer. I don't know what kind of time we're in here. Alright. Wow. What a tough little sucker. Okay, so we got grease all over my hand. We got a Phillips screw down the hole. Let's see what we got in this bad boy right here. Wow, fantastic little sucker. Beautiful. And you know what? I really thought it was going to be pretty good because that ace lock that I did last week, the one with the high shackle guard on it, it was pretty damn good. Of course, it was a 6-pin, and this one's a 5, but still. All right. Little core. Now let's see. Alright, haven't done one of these little suckers in a while, so work with me here, huh? Alright. Get the little clip off the back. I think I have tools just for this job, but alright, got that clip off. Bada boom, bada bang. We'll go ahead and leave it unlocked, I guess. Let me get my little follower. Shoot. Let's use a shim. There we go. I think. Let's hope that works. Oh snap. Not good. There we go. Shoot. I just jacked one of them up. Alright, let me get these laid out. God, I haven't done one of these tiny ones in so long. And they are tiny, boy. Alright. Key pin 2 looks like it's got serrations on it. 3 does not because it's so short. 4 I think does. And 5 does. So we got them marked up. We got some nice serrated pins here in this little sucker. Tell you what, let me get some specs on my head so I can see what the hell I'm doing. And grab some tweezers. And we got, yeah, we got serrations on number 2, number 4, and number 5 on the key pins. And I jacked up this first one right here, big time. I'll have to replace the spring on it. Quite embarrassing doing it on camera, but nope, it was actually pin 2, because here's pin 1. So I'm going to slide that over to pin 2. Yep, it was pin 2, because here's the spring for it. I'll be replacing that. That's embarrassing. Alright, spring 1 is right here. Now, pin 3 is a serrated. Little tiny springs. Yeah, I haven't done one of these little tiny guys in so long. As you can tell, I am rusty. I pick them quite often. I just don't gut them very often. Go to the back for number 5. Oh, see what I mean? Number 5 is greasy. It's a serrated little spring. Okay, so it's a stock lock, so we got nothing to look at in these. Bring my little fancy cardboard table around, and let's see what we got on some pins here. Alright, so that's what we got for this big, massive Ace hardened steel padlock. We got standard in 1, it's upside down. Standard in 1, double serrated in 2, standard in 3, double serrated in 4, double serrated in 5. Drivers, we got a serrated in 1, a serrated spool in 2, a fully serrated in 3, another serrated spool in 4, and a fully serrated in number 5. And like I said, I jacked that spring up for number 2, so I'll have to replace it when I make it a 6-pinner. Okay, that's what we got. Thank you all so much for watching. Aside from me jacking that spring up, I hope it still gets a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al signing out.